Some of you pass on IKEA products because they look cheap or they aren't always durable. But some of you know when IKEA makes good products, they make really good products. Hi, I'm Dr. Lande. I am the founder of Cerberus. Here are my picks from IKEA that you can get this year. Today I'm going to be talking to you about the adults playground, which is IKEA. So many people go to Playhouse there. But yeah, let's have a look. And to guide you, I have grouped them in 3 categories to help you think, why do I need this and where would I need it? So let's dive into the video. So first, setting the mood. Lighting is an essential element in design, and whether you're setting an ambient mood or just need lighting for different spaces or specific tasks, these options are adaptable to any setting. Maybe you're looking for a statement piece that doubles as functional art. You're sure to find something in this selection. First is this LED light fixture. It is made with frosted glass. This sculptural elegant lamp has this nice warm light as well. Can be used in your entryway to welcome your guests. Literally imagine someone opening your door and this is the first thing they're seeing. It definitely draws their attention to whatever space you put this. You can also use it in your dining room, and it adds this coziness to warm up your room. If you search on IKEA, you see that it's actually also a collection of lamps under the same name. There's a donut lamp as well, which is I definitely think is a timeless piece. You can use that on a table or on a wall as well. So it has this multi-function use. And they also have these 2 soft round lamps as well, which are more for the walls. But they're all, you should check out the rest as well. This collection I think is really good. And next is this nice candle holder called Silver Perm. This is a stylish candle holder piece that even without putting candles on, I feel it looks good. It shows some sort of intentionality when you're using this on a table setting with flowers and glasses, you know. It definitely is one that sets the mood and definitely complements flowers if you're making a table setting, for example. This can be used indoors, outdoors, as it is a metal framed candle fixture. It can be used indoors or outdoors, so it is perfect for any table setting for special occasions. There are also others in the collection. They have this red one, which is very striking. If you're into that, then get that. I'm not, but also they have other more neutral colorways as well, beige, black, which you can also check out in the collection. I think those are more singular than the other 2, the red and the silver. So it's definitely one that would add this brightness, or it gives a nice, I tried, when you put it on your tablescape. Next is the Dessa lamp. This table lamp is really good if you're trying to have a very, you want to turn off all the lights and you just want to have just this one lamp, maybe at an office table at home or just on a console in your living room, just to create that cozy environment. This lamp is definitely one to get if you're looking for something quite warm. Also, if you pair it with IKEA's Tradfee, it allows you to have this wireless control of all your lamps. So most lamps in IKEA, you can actually pair them with this system. Check it out, actually really adds that niceness to IKEA's products. And next is Fardo. I think this looks sleek. It's simply a nice round table lamp, and you can use it in your bedroom, you can use this in your living room, or even your entryway when you just just to have that when you're having a very sleek table. Just put that on there as one of the light fixtures in your room. It will give this comfortable, cozy, warm look. Also, if you haven't checked out my video on John Legend and Chrissy Teigen's house, I talk about the bedroom, and they actually have a light fixture that looks like this just beside the bed. And trust me, this is cheaper. I'm gonna link the video as well, and consider if Fardo is the one for you. And if you don't like this one, you surely like this next one. So the next is the pendant lamp called Shimmery Sham. This pendant lamp is equally as good on your nightstand, beside your bedside table, or your entryway, similar to Fardo, except this one has this sleek silver detailing, almost like a plate. Going for a chromatic look in your home, in whatever space you're currently designing, then I definitely think that you should have a look at this lamp. And yes, it also pairs with the IKEA wireless system. So, you have to buy that in addition to the lamp. Next is this spotlight called skirt, and it's actually a spotlight. And I think that if you're trying to, if you want light for specific tasks, or you have a gallery wall, for example, leading to maybe something like the bathroom, this kind of lamp is very small. It can't be the only light fixture you have in the room, but it's just a complementary light fixture that you can use to highlight specific pieces of art. Or they also have in this same collection similar lamps that you can use for tasks as well. And because the lamp head of this one can be adjustable, it makes it perfect for reading. You might want to consider doing this if you have a small space and you just don't want to get a very large lamp. This is one to consider. The next category is comfortable and stylish. Seating is where design meets comfort. So from an iconic armchair, with a really nice silhouette might seem like a simple choice, but the ergonomic nature of some of these type of furniture needs to be considered, because that's where comfort lies. If you're not really familiar with ergonomic design, I discussed this as well in one of my videos, and I'm going to just link them as well. I talk more on the importance of ergonomic design when just picking out furniture pieces, and also when designing your home. Let's dive into some of the products in this category. So first is the Yingva. The Yingva I would recommend using as a dining chair. It has this really nice slick look, and I think it's perfect for people who like to host. Sometimes have more than 4 people at home and you want to get extra chairs. This is the one to get, because it is stackable, and stackable means adaptable, to your space. So you don't need to rent a big space to host people all the time, when you can get pieces of furniture like this, which are very adaptable to your space as it is. It has this nice, clean, slick design and doesn't really take up too much space. It also has this very nice high-end feel to it. So it's one of those IKEA products that don't look very IKEA. But yeah, this is one to get. Next is this Ekna set chair. It is perfect for those who like this Scandinavian design. And it kind of also feels retro in a way. It is really one to consider if you're trying to get like an accent chair. Yeah, if you're just looking for an extra chair that just is comfortable without getting a big couch, or just to complement your couch, this is the one for you. Pong chair is one of IKEA's iconic designs. It's been there for a while, and they give you options to change the seating colors and things like that. And this is because of its ergonomic design. It definitely is a comfortable chair, and it's great for nurseries. I think that is really the best place to put this. If you're someone who likes to read and you're an avid reader as well, you might consider this chair because of its ergonomic design. I think Pong is the perfect chair for that. So Bradviken is a really stylish armchair, and you can use this outdoors or also as an accent chair indoors, depending on the kind of house that you have or the kind of space you have. It is very breathable. This is because of the rattan material that was used to create this. I really like this brown color that they used. Doesn't look very IKEA. It's versatile. You can use it indoors, outdoors. And if you're into the bohemian vibe, this is one to get. If you're into that kind of coastal living, this is the chair for you as well. The Arpalat sofa, it has soft covers, it's plushy. If you know the Coach bag, the soft one, the pillow bag, that is that in a chair. You should definitely have a look at this. It doesn't look IKEA for sure. They have other colors as well. I think it can compete with other brands in terms of sofa comfort. So definitely, if you're looking for something that doesn't look so boxy and you just want a plushy looking couch but still slick, this is it. And if you have a small space, this couch is definitely going to be the focal point in your house. So if you really want that, some money on a very nice couch, and you don't want to have to overly decorate, have a look at the sofa. So the next category is clutter-free space. Storage isn't about hiding stuff. Okay, it is, but it's also about enhancing the look of your home. For example, if you're living in a small space, you might want to think about using vertical space. Literally, that is space too. That really makes a difference when you start to, if you live in a small space, using vertical space as well literally presents a variety of solutions to storage as well. Some of the products in this section are great for that. So the Billy bookcase, I know this is famous and overused sometimes. However, there's a navy blue one. Have you seen that before? Exactly. And if you have, I'm sure it looks great in your space. The navy blue Billy, I think, paired with some of IKEA's new doors, yeah, match made in heaven. They are a perfect, great solution. Even bespoke companies use IKEA furniture as a base, and the Billy bookcase is definitely one that they use as a base. You know, you can change the doors of your furniture and there's nothing wrong with that. You can go bespoke on the doors, but when it's just the insides of your furniture piece, definitely go for the Billy bookcase. It is durable, it works in small spaces, big spaces, and can be used for a variety of uses as well. So I definitely think you should give the Billy bookcase a try, but with a twist. The Affordable modular sofa is the perfect modular sofa from IKEA. You can change the sleeves of this furniture and you can add to it as well. So if you move house and you want to get another part of the sectional, you can do that as well. And it also has storage underneath. It doesn't look so bulky like many storage chairs of sofas typically always look like they're storing something. This doesn't look like that. So I think you should have a look at it. If you use something that you're trying to consider, especially in this nice color as well, you should definitely give it a try. Next is iKet. I've definitely seen more creative uses of the iKet. Don't have to get just the small boxes type iKet. That is not what you're looking for. They have a variety of styles. They are stackable, similar to the Billy bookcase. You can change the doors if you're not looking for something so bulky, which is the Billy. You can get the iKet and start with that. You can be creative. You can put this on the wall. Actually, you can just mount it on the wall without it touching the floor. And if you want, you can put legs on it. For people with small spaces, I would definitely say hang it on your wall. It gives a slick look if you're trying to, you know, put LED lights underneath, maybe at nighttime and you don't want to light up the whole space. This kind of furniture is good for that. The iVault is another unit that you can also hang on your wall. The reason why I picked this as well is because it's literally a base. It's a piece of furniture that is literally just wood. And if you're someone who is looking for a bit of color in your home, this might be the type of furniture for you. You can stain it, you can also paint it, reds, blues, whatever you want. And I think it's great for both, you know, spaces that are multifunctional. Maybe if you have a garden, or a garage where you want to store some things, but you don't really want to do too much, or if you do want to do too much, have a color theme or just start from scratch. I feel like the iKet is that unit. Next is the home rug. It was originally created to be a coffee table. However, it's a side table and you can use it if you have an open plan home. You can use this behind your couch to start to section off spaces because, you know, obviously you would want to, you know, make spaces into different areas for different uses, like living space, kitchen space, that kind of thing. This piece of furniture is perfect for that, and it doubles as a side table. You can store your nice things on it without looking cluttered and still be able to put your drink on top of it. And next is the NASA 4s. I have used this for about 4 years. I've bought a couple of these. It is literally slick. When I say it is slick, it is functional, it is movable. You can take it to different rooms. You can use it in different places. You can use it in the kitchen, in the bathroom, in your bedroom, to just store things, to move things. And it doesn't look it doesn't make your space look cluttered. I think the secret to this is the matte paint, and I got this in specifically in black. Is literally it. If you're looking for a storage unit that you can move around and is more, adaptable to your flexible needs, then this is for you. Next is this table that also doubles as an air purifier. I really thought they did well with it, because air purifiers are typically very bulky, and making it double as a table, I think is a win. So check it out. And it also looks slick. The color they picked is good. For a starter, I mean, compare it with other air purifiers. So yeah, might as well get this. So those are my 3 categories. I'm just going to show you a few ones for those, especially if you like color in your home or you're looking for something to add to your outdoor space. I think these are honorable mentions. I've noticed IKEA started doing more colors. You might want to be up to these products as well. This copper mirror is literally like one of the slickest things I've seen at IKEA. If you look at it, you're like, what is this? You're kind of confused. Is it just wall art that is just copper? But it's a mirror. It's actually a mirror as well. So I think this nice sculptural is definitely something that will draw anyone's attention, or at least make them curious. The design definitely makes it a versatile, timeless piece to have in any home. If you're going to use this in an entryway, for example, you can put that right above a console table and then pair it with some nice decorative bowls as well, just to give it this nice polished but welcoming look to it. It's a nice piece, I feel. Next is this Scalbadao armchair. I believe this is for outdoor use, and I definitely think you should pair this up with a cushion. I really like the orange. I think if you're someone who likes color, or you have a garden or a nice balcony and you just are looking for furniture for that and you don't know where to start, this is definitely something you should consider picking up. And next is the Hovet mirror. The Hovet mirror is definitely one of IKEA's staple, and it is one that actually doesn't make anything look cluttered. It definitely adds some personality to whatever room you put it in. I've paired mine with plants before. I've had mine for 4 years actually, ongoing, and it definitely is one of those things. It travels well if you're moving homes. So I definitely think if you're looking for a nice mirror and at a good price point, this is the mirror for you. And finally, the last pick is the Love Back-In side table. You can use this outdoors and indoors, I believe. Pair it with the outdoor chair that I showed previously. If you're really looking for a very bright orange space, then go for it. I think they pair well. Definitely have a look at this if you're just looking for something, for a small space. It has this triangular-ish kind of look. And if you're just looking for something so bulky but a bit wider than your average side table, this is one to look out for. And the surface is veneered, making it more durable. So if it has coffee stains, you can keep it clean easily. So design is really about creating spaces that reflect who you are, whether it's through lighting, seating, or storage solutions in your home, or even little accessories that just make your home your home. These pieces you can use to basically tell your story of what your home means to you, and also to others who you welcome into them. So I hope these pieces are something that has helped you either reflect on your space or made you look at something that you've had for a long time and want to use it in a different way. Thanks for joining me today. If you have favorites, let me know in the comments. And also if you have if you have pieces that are not mentioned in the video that you want to share with our growing community, please do so. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share as well. If you like videos like this, I will definitely keep making more. Do check out my other videos. I'll give you a hint. Check the John Legend video. I think it's a really cool video. The house is beautiful. And yeah, look out for my next video. See you then. Bye.